Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you building the dialog flow, and we are going to understand how this chatbot will be conversing with the users. So this is the most crucial part also. Building a dialog flow based on the intents and entities you have defined is an important step in creating a functional chatbot, okay? The dialog flow determines how the chatbot will respond to different inputs of the user and how it will guide the conversations towards achieving the user's goal. You're going to build a dialog flow based on those intents and entities, and then the dialog flow will be like how the bot makes decisions. So here is an example of how the dialog flow might be structured for a real estate agent bot based on the intents and entities provided. So you remember guys, we had the greeting intent. When we have the greeting intent, the user says hi there. The chatbot will reply, hello, how can I help you today? So we have classified that conversation as a greeting. So this is the kind of conversation, like for instance, if the user says hi, the chatbot will have some sort of response, and the chatbot will identify that conversation as a greeting. So that's another intent here, as we can see from here, is find property. We can see the user is asking the bot, I'm looking for a 3-bedroom house in Los Angeles for $500,000. The chatbot will reply, I can certainly help you with that. Let me check my listing for 3-bedroom houses in Los Angeles under $500,000. Please provide me with your email address so I can send you the list of the matching properties. Then the user will just input the email. Then the bot will identify this email address. This is where the entities come in. So when the user inputs the email, we have an entity which we might call, let's say, email, right? So when the user inputs the email address, the chatbot will respond and say, I've sent you the list of properties matching to your criteria to the mail. Is there anything else I can help you with? Now you see. So this is the find property intent. Then we go to the next intent. So basically, guys, what we are trying to do here is we have classifications. We have like a greeting classification. We have a find property classification. We have a list property classification. Now, under those classifications, we need to imagine of any possible conversation that the user can ask the bot, and then we can have the bot respond back. This is what we are doing right now. We're trying to imagine the kinds of conversations that the bot might have with the user. Then the other one is the schedule visit, which the user will ask, I'd like to schedule a visit to one of the properties on the list you sent me. The chatbot says, of course, please let me know which property you're interested in visiting and what date and time works best for you. The user will just reply again and say, I want to visit the property 123 Main Street on Saturday at 10 a.m. The chatbot will also respond back. Right? Then we have the get agent info. This is the same conversation. And then we have the goodbye intent, which has this kind of conversation. So guys, these conversations are not limited to the way they are right now. So the examples I'm showing you guys here are just the bare minimum, just simple thing. You can expand the conversations. So the dialog provides general idea of how the chatbot will respond to different inputs and the user, and guide the conversations towards achieving the user's goal. However, you would also want to consider adding more entities and dialog flow to consider other scenarios. It's up to you to think about different kinds of intents and entities. And the next thing is I want to show you the decision tree to visualize this kind of conversations. Decision tree is a diagram that illustrates the possible outcomes of a series of related choices. So this is the bot decision tree. So this is the bot starting point. So let's say if you are greeting the bot, you're greeting the bot at this point, and maybe the bot doesn't understand. The bot has a fallback mechanism which the bot will respond. When you first interact with the bot and maybe you open the bot, this is the first response you get. Hello, I'm your chatbot real estate agent. Welcome. This is like a welcome message. Let's say now the bot sent a welcome message, and then after sending the bot, after the bot sent the welcome message, it also sent this: choose what you are interested in: rent property, buy property, lease property, sell property, or contact us. And then based on the decisions that you click here, we have the decisions are based on what you have chosen. All right, so if you have chosen rent property, the bot will respond with this: let me help you with a scheduling call with our agent so we can contact you with matching rental offers. And then if you want to buy a property, this you just find this information back. When we look at this, this is an intent. I want to rent a property. Okay, the intention of this conversation is I want to rent a property. Okay, this is another intent: buy property, sell property, or contact. So when you are defining your intents, you will likely have an intent which is under this name, or under this name, or contact. Then based on the intent, the bot will always have a response. It's quite a lot, guys, so just check it out. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below the video and I will always get back at you. Right, so it is normally important to actually visualize how the bot will be responding to the user. So having a kind of a decision tree developed is really important to visualize all of this. And actually you might think about different scenarios, and the bot can interact. Don't forget to go to the link. Just click here, or you just click on the link. You just get the decision tree, and you are more welcome to you can reuse this. You can just use this and also add more things if you want. And all of these intents are not limited, or entities are not limited. You can add more. And I hope, guys, you love this video, and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to press that notification button to get more updates from me whenever I get new content available. So guys, let's go to the next video, and chap chap.